Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. These stencils have been well loved, as you can see. If you have kids and your kids love to paint or to draw or to do anything craft friendly fun, you guys are going to totally go crazy over these animal stencils. As you can see, I normally do not clean these off, but they are super easy to clean off. We used to use them so often that I don't clean them off. But you can even like use your finger, and if you see, it's coming off so simple. So imagine if you had a wet rag or if you ran it underwater for a little bit, you could clean these off so easy because the material, which is plastic, it's still heavy duty, but smooth enough to get all the paint and things off that you will want to get off if that's what you want to do. So if you want to have some craft fun, I would highly recommend this product. We have had many fun craft nights. My kids are homeschooled, so we do a lot of arts and crafts in general. These, like I said before, have been well loved. They do not rip apart. They are high quality. So I would highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.